Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by checking Alightmotion's version and freeing space. Apps fail when storage is tight. Next, place the XML and its asset folders together, textures, audio, and images, so the app can resolve links. Once done, make a backup copy outside the app. This prevents loss if import fails. If the XML came from another phone, toggle file visibility or transfer via USB to preserve folder structure, because relative paths are the reason imports often break. Now import the XML inside Alightmotion and watch for specific errors, missing file names or path issues. If something's missing, open the XML in a plain text editor. You'll see file paths that often point to wrong folders. Replace absolute paths with relative ones that match your project folder, or physically move the media into the folders the XML expects. After editing, save and import again. This fixes link resolution and restores layers, effects, and keyframes. Finish by opening the repaired project and scanning the timeline for gaps. Manually relink any remaining missing media using the app's media browser. Then export a small test video to confirm effects and assets render as expected. If problems persist, make sure file names have no special characters, extensions match actual formats, and the XML syntax wasn't corrupted. These are common culprits. If you still hit errors, restore your backup and try transferring files with a zip to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.